Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do this laundry powder detergent because I got too many kids to keep buying some liquid. So what I'm going to use today is this Gain. And I spent like $22, under $30. I have 3 packs of this Aroma. And I have these. I have 2 of those. And that's all I'm using. Because I was going to get the Foca, but they didn't have it at Walmart, and anybody got some. But I feel like this is going to be enough. Oh, and I also have this, the container, the 20 quarts, so I can be able to pour it all in it. So without further ado, let's get into it. So yeah, I got my container, and I'm gonna layer this. So I'm gonna put the Gain first, and then come with a little cup. So we're gonna pour some Gain in here. Then I'll put Aroma in here. This is gonna last me about like 6 months. Hopefully. Because I ain't get my Foca. Probably a few months. And then I'm gonna put this Crystal Fresh Vibes. It's so good. It smells so good. And then some more Gain. Aroma. I don't know. This probably don't even last me 6 months. But I'll let y'all know. Because the measurements is like in the way. Because whatever. But it should be enough for a few months. It's definitely gonna last me a few months, I'll tell you that. It smells delicious, but you probably want to cover your face up. That's done. It's definitely gonna last me a while. And I'll put some more scent beads. Season that thing, baby. Because I'm definitely going to season my clothes. Hold on, let me mix it up. I'm making some powder for us. We're going to mix that thing real good. Oh my God, it smells delicious.
It's delicious?
It's delicious.
Oh, it's so.
But you can do whatever you want to do. Put whatever detergents you want into it. I just chose this. Because I love the way it smells. And I'm going to be washing some clothes today. Excuse me. Thank you, children. Why y'all always fighting? But yeah, I'm going to mix it up and I'll be right back. Now that I mix it all together, you can see all the little crystals and stuff in there. That's a lot. And I'm going to just throw this top in there. Close that bad boy thing up, and we got our laundry for the next few months. Yeah, save money, honey.
Money.